आजकल हम बिना पैक्ड प्रोडक्ट बाय किए तो सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते, राइट? विद सो व्हाई नॉट बिकम मोर अवेयर कंज्यूमर्स एंड बाय द राइट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. So that is the whole purpose of doing this Sunday Ka Sach series with me, nutritionist Neha. So today's product is a date syrup, lion date syrup. So lot of new sugar replacements or sugar substitutes are available in the market. आजकल इतने सारे options हो गए हैं कि many a times we are confused कि which of them is actually really healthy for us. काफ़ी बार misleading information भी हमें मिलता है. तो that is why let's see what is there on this dabba of lion date syrup. Let me switch my camera to you. So yeah, so today a lot of different varieties are available in date syrup also. This is just one of the brands. On the pack they are saying iron and calcium. They're saying made from premium quality dates, no added sugar, flavor and preservatives. So that is a plus point, a bonus point, and 100% natural. So again they are also mentioning certain things like, I hope this is clear to you guys. Yeah, they're saying that you can use it for flavoring of milk. And they've given some recommended amount also. You can use it with idli, dosa, chapati, bread instead of jam is what they're saying. So nice, interesting recommendations. But of course we know कि आपको कहाँ पे देखना है. So you have to obviously see the ingredient list. The ingredient list is the main thing in a food label, even more important than the nutrient table. So यहाँ पे ingredients में dates है. That's it. So as they are saying that we have not added any other things over here. So in the ingredient also it is just dates. Now date syrup बनाने के लिए जैसे आप sugar syrup बनाते हो with sugar and water, similarly for date syrup you just require dates and water. That's it. So process करके बनाया जाता है. If you see the nutrient label, it is given for 100 grams of the product, and there is energy 307, very less protein. Of course dates are a fruit, so we are not expecting it to be a high protein source food. So 1.34 grams of protein and 100, okay, 100 ml, 100 grams. Carbohydrate is of course high. Any fruit based thing is going to have high carbohydrate, of which natural sugars are 58, or you can say about 60. So why this difference in the amounts? Because total carbohydrate में आप let me just quickly explain to you in short. When we're talking about carbohydrates में sugar is of course a big part, but along with that आपका starch, different forms of starch, different other fiber and insoluble and soluble fiber and sugars, ये सब कुछ total carbohydrate में include किया जाता है. तो इसीलिए उन्होंने लिखा है कि total carbohydrate about 75 और 76 है, but उसमें से sugars, natural sugars जो डेट के फ्रूट में होती है वो सिर्फ 60 है. So that is the difference which you should understand, because as a fruit date will also have some other starches and fiber etc as a part of carbohydrates. Fat बिल्कुल नहीं है, dietary fiber है थोड़ा सा, and of course they have given some other minerals over here, sodium, potassium, calcium and iron. Now remember one thing, that even if they have given all these things over here, when we are looking at a product like this date syrup, मेरा आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट होगा कि डोंट लुक एट द विटामिन एंड मिनरल कंटेंट, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमारा मेन फोकस क्या होना चाहिए कि एज अ स्वीटनर, तो स्वीटनर में अभी इसमें आयरन है, कैल्शियम है, इट डजेंट मैटर मच, बिकॉज स्वीटनर का प्रपोर्शन थोड़ा ही होने वाला है जो आप यूज करोगे. सो इवन इफ इट इज अ सोर्स ऑफ कैल्शियम एंड पोटेशियम, इट्स अ गुड थिंग, बट दैट शुड नॉट बी द क्राइटेरिया टू चूज सर्टन थिंग्स. सो डेट्स में नेचुरली ये सब पोटेशियम, कॉपर, मैंगनीज ये सब रहेगा, तो इट इज अ एडिशनल प्लस पॉइंट दैट इज देयर इन दिस स्वीटनर. सो बट डोंट लुक एट इट एज अ क्राइटेरिया कि इसमें सोडियम कितना है, पोटेशियम कितना है, उस हिसाब से हम कभी भी स्वीटनर नहीं बाय करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज माय वर्डिक्ट ऑफ दिस डेट सिरप इज दैट सिंस इट इज कंप्लीटली नेचुरल sweetener, definitely it gets a go ahead from nutritionist Neha. कुछ भी additives नहीं है इसमें, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. ऊपर से कोई शुगर या ग्लूकोज या और कुछ ऐड किया नहीं है, सो another good thing. and इसका यूजेज भी काफ़ी versatile है. so I have used this syrup in making halwas, in my milkshakes, in flavoring my morning syrups or cereals or oats. I have also tried to make some other mithais with this, and flavor completely it's like just eating dates. So that's why I feel it's a very good product. So you can experiment it, definitely experiment with it, especially if you have kids and you're looking for good sweetener options. I rate this much more nutritious than even honey. So date syrup gets a plus point from me. One negative aspect is that you cannot store it for a very long time. I have seen that there is some aroma change which happens after a long time. So it's better that you store it in the refrigerator and buy small packs. And another thing is that cost is one factor. If you compare it with sugar and honey, it's definitely on the higher side, but remember, this is a nutritious sweetener that you are using. What you can do is make a combination, and if you are flavoring milk or anything for your kids, if you find it expensive, you can use it in combination with other sweeteners. So आधा jaggery and आधा date syrup आप ऐसे भी combination कर सकते हो. But otherwise, if cost is not a concern, then this is a very good sweetener, I would say. You can also make date syrup at home. As always, I think at the end of every session I'm talking about how homemade is great. But yes, date syrup can be made at home, but उसका फिर shelf life थोड़ा कम होता है. आप small quantity में बना के फ्रिज में स्टोर कर सकते हो. डेट प्योरी, डेट सिरप, ये भी आप एज अ स्वीटनर यूज कर सकते हो. इफ नॉट, देयर आर लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ ब्रांड्स अवेलेबल nowadays online. You can check them out for date syrup and go give it a try. Let me know if you have tried it in any product, and if you find the flavor nice or not so nice, if your kids are liking that this flavor of this product. So let me know that. And that's it for today's date syrup. I think so simple ना, कुछ ingredient list ज़्यादा नहीं है, कुछ explain नहीं करना है, protein fat ज़्यादा झमेला नहीं है. But yeah, that's it. You have to look at it simply and not analyze the nutrition profile of a sweetener, I would say. Of course, if you want me to analyze or talk about any other sweeteners that you like or you are using, then let me know. I will try to cover those in my next sessions. And that's it for Sunday Ka Sach today. Do tag your friends, family, or any other people who you think might find this useful. Follow my page Snack Right and also my personal page Cocktail Call Life for lots of healthy recipes, ideas, everyday health tips and more. Have a wonderful Sunday, guys, and eat healthy, stay happy. Bye bye, take care. Oh, hi Meenal and hi Shivani. I just completed the session, so you can catch it on my page. I will be saving it. Today I was talking about date syrup. So do check it out, guys. I think Shivani Krishola also would have a lot of healthy options which you can check out on her page also. So yes, bye bye guys. Take care. Have a great Sunday.